Every time I do a video in this community, Sayebrook here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, it's an absolute hit. And a lot of you have been asking me for a tour of these model homes back here. And today's the day that we're going to be checking these out. So let's go ahead and get into it. Hey, welcome back, and if you're new here, my name is Nick, and on this channel I talk about things to do here in Myrtle Beach. I give tips and advice about the area, and I'm a real estate agent, so of course I talk about the real estate. So if you are thinking about relocating to the area, then be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and tap the little notification bell while you're at it. This way you can be the first to know about what's going on here in Myrtle Beach. I get calls every single day from people just like you who are moving to the area, so if you ever have any questions, or if I can help you find home here at the beach, then I would love to chat with you. You can always use the first link down in the description to schedule a call with me. Now, I know you've been waiting to see these model homes here in Sayebrook, so I'm not going to talk too much. We're going to hop right into the tour, but make sure you stick around to the end because that's when we'll be talking about the pricing. Okay, so we're starting these model home tours with the Pawleys model here, which when I first saw this one, I did not love this model, but the more I walk into this home, the more and more it's starting to grow on me, and I actually really like it. It might actually be my favorite of the three the more that I see it. Now, it's actually great that I'm posting this Pawleys model now because they just announced their 10-day sales event running from November 11th through November 20th. So if you're seeing this when I'm posting it, Pawleys is offering up to $25,000 off any of their quick move-in or spec homes, and they're also offering special financing with interest rates as low as 4.99% depending on your particular situation. So here in the front of the home, obviously we have the primary suite. In the front of this, you also have another closet. So I know that closet in the back might be a little bit small, but you do have two walk-in closets here in this model. Right outside of the primary suite, you do have that half bathroom right in the front. And right across here, you have an office, which can also be a dining room. If you decide to build from scratch, you'd be able to choose what you wanted there. Now, as we head into the main part of the home here, I know this isn't the most spectacular kitchen and main living area. This is kind of what you get with the more Charleston style homes where they're kind of built up. I do think the best part of this home is upstairs, but you still have plenty of cabinets, lots of counter space in the kitchen, and a very livable living area. It might feel a little bit cramped, but just wait until we get upstairs. There is a nice outdoor area here as well, big screened in porch. I believe in this home you do have an option to make this a sunroom as well, which would add to your heated and cooled space. I personally like the screened in porch, and you do have the detached 2-car garage here in the back, which gives you a nice little patio space between that and the home, and a nice little yard space on this particular lot as well. Now, obviously that is going to vary depending on the lot. I would say this is probably an average size one here. You're going to have some lots that are a little bit bigger and are going to give you a bigger yard. You're going to have some that are smaller that give you much less yard. Now, let's go check out the rest of this home, and before we head upstairs, I'm going to show you the laundry room, which is that other door there in the back of the home. And then we're going to head upstairs and check out what I think is the most special part of this home. Now, Pawleys does have 7 different home plans here in the Sayebrook community, from 1,800 square feet all the way up to 2,800 square feet, which is this home that we're in right now, which is the Ravenwood floor plan. Now, I do think with the sunroom, this gets up to about 2,950 square feet, and that's going to be the biggest that you can get in this neighborhood with Pawleys. Okay, so up here, you do have a little closet right at the top of the stairs, and then you have another big second living area or loft space. It's bigger up here. I think it's nice and spacious, and that's why I think this upstairs is pretty special in this home. Now, in this one here in the front, they did opt to add the second primary suite. So you have another full primary suite upstairs. You can rearrange this. You have an option to add a 5th bedroom up here, but right now it is showing as a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom home. So we're going to finish checking up the rest of the upstairs here, the 2 other bedrooms, the other bathroom. There is also a balcony out front as well, which is available on both of the elevations for this floor plan. So that's pretty cool, especially on this lot in particular, where you have a nice pond out front. And then after we finish up the tour here, we're going to head back to my office. We're going to talk about kind of the pricing for these homes here for Pulte. We're going to talk about the other models being built by Saucy Burbank and Toll Brothers. So definitely stick around for that. And let me know what you think of this Ravenwood model down in the comments below. I don't know, I kind of like it. I'm curious to hear your thoughts. So I do get a lot of mixed feelings on that Ravenwood floor plan here by Pulte in Sayebrook. But again, it's kind of been growing on me. So I really do want to hear your thoughts down below. But let's go ahead and get into the pricing. So the Pulte website says homes in this neighborhood start around $427,000. Now you're not going to be able to get a home for that price by Pulte in this neighborhood, right? That's the starting price, base price of their smallest floor plan. That's not going to include the lot or any upgrades that you do. In reality, the minimum that you're going to get into this neighborhood at is about $500,000. Now, in the last 90 days, there have been 5 home sales by just Pulte in this Sayebrook community, and those prices ranged from about $493,000 up to $602,000. Now, that $493 home was their smallest floor plan, the Sweetgrass floor plan, 1,800 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and the other 4 sales, they range from about $561,000 up to that $602,000 mark. All 4 of those homes were this Ravenwood floor plan. Some of them were the 4 bedrooms, some of them had the 5 bedroom, a few of them had that extra sunroom in the back, making them 2,950 square feet. So you can build this home here that we saw today for about $560,000, maybe $570,000, depending on the lot, all the way up to the low $600,000 mark, depending on the upgrades that you do in the home. So yes, this neighborhood is a little bit more expensive, but it is a lifestyle community. If you've not seen the community tour that I've done in the past, definitely be sure to check that out. We'll link it down in the description below. And if you're wanting to check out the other models, if you didn't love the layout of this one, especially on the first floor, you're going to want to make sure you subscribe, because I think Toll Brothers does a really good job on their first floor level, making it feel like a spread out and spacious home. So definitely, again, hit that subscribe button, because we're going to be checking out that one next. And if you're ready to find your home here at the beach, then I would love to be the one to help you out. Again, you can always use the first link down in the description to schedule a call with me. I'm looking forward to speaking with you. I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.